All right, so for the next step, we're going to put gloves on because we're going to be using either aluminum or steel, depending on what you're bending. And we'll be cutting out we'll have little cutouts that we insert below every power plate along the way. And we'll check the clamping pressure adjustment. So what we want to do is have one of those pieces along the whole way, and then we'll lock the brake in place, and we want to see the friction between everyone. So as you can see, I'm having a hard time. This one's a little loose. So depending on the material that you're bending, if you have aluminum, you can have the piece be a little bit looser versus if you're doing heavier gauge material, you want it tight, especially on 24 gauge steel to prevent it from slipping out of the brake. So it's really a matter of your preference. The more clamping pressure you require, the more force you'll require at the last step of closing the anvil. If you have less pressure, then it's going to be smooth along the whole way. So if you want to increase the clamping pressure, turn clockwise. And if you want to decrease the clamping pressure, turn counterclockwise. Because we're doing just aluminum here, we'll keep it soft and easy. So I'm going to loosen up. I'll go about a 1/4 inch, and then I can adjust to see it's still not slipping much. So I'll add another 1/4 inch. And then you can see it's a little bit easier. That one's a little tight too, so I'll loosen it up. That's easier. That one's a little tight, so. And then I can see the operation of how it works. It's still a little tight, so it's really a matter of your own preference. If I go very loose, for aluminum, it'll still fold. But you'll notice that it's also even easier to operate the brake with one finger to lock it. So set it to your own preference for what works best for you.